welcome back to my kitchen. Don't you just love sausage pizza but feel guilty about the calories every time you eat it? If so, stay tuned to learn how to make delicious sausage pizza stuffed peppers with me, and don't miss out on some fun facts too. So let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need 3 large bell peppers halved lengthwise. I'm using all 3 colors, but you can use any color. 500 grams of Italian sausage with the casings removed. 1 cup of riced vegetables. I'm using riced cauliflower. 1 teaspoon of oregano. A half a teaspoon of salt. A half a teaspoon of chili flakes. 2 cups of tomato sauce. 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. And some cooking spray. These stuffed peppers are everything you love about sausage pizza without all the carbs, and they are gluten-free. Step 1. Place the pepper halves in a single layer in an oven-proof dish or pan. Bell peppers are a good source of vitamin A. Step 2. Heat a large pan over medium to high heat and spray with cooking spray. Now add the Italian sausage to the pan and heat until browned for about 10 minutes, using a wooden spoon to break the sausage into bite-sized crumbles. Stuffed peppers are a part of the traditional Spanish cuisine. Step 3. Now add the riced vegetables to the pan along with the oregano, salt, and chili flakes, and allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Step 4. Add the tomato sauce to the pan and stir well. Then, remove the pan from the heat. Step 5. Stuff the peppers with the Italian sausage filling. Then sprinkle with cheese and bake for 30 minutes until cooked through and the cheese is melted. They are packed with everything you love about sausage pizza, including plenty of melted cheese, but none of the guilt. They are hearty and comforting, yet light and not overly heavy. All done! Now it's time to give it a try. I'm so excited. Ooh, it's so juicy. Wow, the flavor is amazing. It's just as good as a sausage pizza. This is a must try. Wow, this recipe was so easy and it tastes amazing. The combination of the sausage, the pepper and the cheese is just delicious. Well, I have to go now. But thank you for watching, and remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. See you all next time.